Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. I am super excited to announce that my brand new Mastering Waterfall Photography course is now available. It is obviously a landscape photography course all about photographing waterfalls. Waterfalls are one of the most beautiful and awe-inspiring natural wonders on Earth. And ever since I started focusing my photography on landscapes, waterfalls have been one of my favorite subjects. In this 6-hour and 19 videos course, we will learn how to not just capture both the ethereal beauty, but also the epic grandeur of waterfalls. I will discuss the equipment that you will need, including the clothing, the camera, tripod and filters. We will also talk about the best camera settings for capturing waterfalls such as aperture, shutter speed and ISO. Among others, I will cover techniques such as focus stacking, long exposure and even handheld long exposure. And I will cover the most important composition tools for creating stunning waterfall photos. In 6 different never-before-seen in-field case studies, I go out and capture a whole range of different kinds of waterfalls, everything from huge waterfalls to small creeks that most would ignore, and share my approach to doing so. In this course, I will also share my approach to culling and selecting what photos to edit, and in 6 different start-to-finish videos, I'll share how I edit the waterfalls. I will show you how to adjust the basics such as colors, contrast, balancing luminosity, and more advanced techniques such as how to blend several exposures to get the best of the best and most impressive photos. And with the included raw files, you'll be able to follow along. Finally, I've added a tutorial where I even share even more editing techniques and start to finish results from additional 9 waterfall photos. By the end of this course, you will have the knowledge and skills to capture stunning waterfall photos that you can be proud of. I've decided to make this entire course available for only $99 US, and you can get it via the link down in the description of this video or through my homepage. Also, a massive thank you to all of you who are going ahead and getting it, and a massive thank you to all of you who keep supporting me and buying my products. It is because of you, really, that I can keep making these free YouTube videos for all of you out there. So be sure to get the course via the link down in the description of the video, and see you in the next video.